Imagine you're a small country sandwiched between major geopolitical powers. You're in NATO, you border Russia, and you rely heavily on allies for defense equipment. But now, you decide, enough is enough. It's time to build your own weapons. That's exactly what Latvia is doing. They're not just buying, they're building high-tech armored vehicles themselves. But why now? And how big of a deal is this? Let's break it down. The vehicle Latvia is building is called the ASCOD Infantry Fighting Vehicle. And no, this isn't a tank, but it's close. Think of it as a heavily armored vehicle that can transport troops into dangerous battle zones while providing protection and firepower. ASCOD stands for Austrian-Spanish Cooperation Development, a joint platform by General Dynamics European Land Systems. This vehicle is loaded with modern features. It can carry a 3-person crew and 6 fully equipped soldiers. It's got strong NATO Standard Level 4 armor, automatic cannons, and it's designed for network-enabled warfare. In short, it's a battlefield game-changer, and Latvia wants to bring its production home. In January 2025, the Latvian Ministry of Defence signed a deal worth €373 million for 42 of these advanced IFVs. But instead of importing them all, they've decided to assemble the vehicles locally. Here's how. A joint venture called Defence Partnership Latvia, DPL, formed by Finnish company Patria and local Latvian firm Unitruck, will set up a production line in Valmiera, a town in northern Latvia. This is huge because it's the first time Latvia will assemble such sophisticated military hardware domestically. Patria will handle the core technical support, while Latvian workers will gradually take over major portions of the assembly process. The first vehicles are expected to roll out by June 2026. Now let's get to the real question. Why is this a big deal? For one, Latvia has traditionally depended on foreign suppliers for nearly all of its defense needs. By building vehicles locally, it's taking control of its own security. Second, it's an economic opportunity. Local assembly means more jobs, more skills, more factories, and most importantly, technological independence. Think of it like the Make in India campaign, but for defense, and in Latvia. It also sends a strong message. Latvia isn't just sitting back and watching global tensions rise, it's actively preparing, investing in future-ready military infrastructure. Latvia is a NATO member, and that comes with responsibilities. Its current fleet of vehicles includes aging CVRTs, which are small, outdated British armored vehicles. These need to be replaced with something modern, something that fits NATO's operational standards. That's where the ASCOD comes in. These new IFVs will be fully compatible with NATO systems, helping Latvia contribute more effectively to joint operations. In today's world, especially after Russia's invasion of Ukraine, NATO is pushing member countries to increase their own military strength. Latvia's move fits right into that agenda. This is not just about defense, it's about international collaboration and interoperability. What does this mean for the region? Latvia, a relatively small country, is now stepping up as a regional defense producer. It could become a hub for assembling or even exporting certain components of armored vehicles in the future. And this has ripple effects. Estonia and Lithuania, Latvia's Baltic neighbors, might follow suit. Poland is already producing tanks and artillery. If these countries collaborate, the Baltic region could become a serious player in European defense manufacturing. The move also deepens ties between Latvia and Finland, a newly joined NATO country with advanced military capabilities. The more they cooperate, the more secure the region becomes. To wrap up, Latvia's decision to locally build ASCOD infantry fighting vehicles isn't just a military update. It's a strategic masterstroke. It boosts local jobs, strengthens defense, builds international partnerships, and prepares the country for uncertain times. So the next time you hear about tiny Latvia, don't underestimate it. It's quietly becoming a high-tech defense builder in one of the most sensitive regions in the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.